This is the same as the previous function. We're starting with the function f of x. The function is f of x equals x. The input is going to be the same as the output, like here in this table. The input and output are the same. We are going to dilate this function by a factor of 2/3 to create a function called b of x. So our outputs from our original function are going to be multiplied by 2/3. So -2 times 2/3. Just if you see the first one, you'll probably find the rest to be, you might be able to do it in your head. So -2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So -2 times 2/3 is -4/3. -1 times 2/3 is -2/3. 0 times 2/3, 1 times 2/3, 2 times 2/3. And then you're going to graph each of these points that you've created. Each of these is a point. You're going to graph these points on the coordinate plane and graph your new line. A lot of the time in Math 1 and Math 2 and Math 3 and pre-calculus and calculus, we will leave improper fractions alone. But for purposes of graphing these on the coordinate plane, it may be helpful to remember that -4/3 is -1 1/3. This might help you remember where to put it on the graph. And similarly, when you get down here, this is going to equal 1 1/3. So just keep in mind that that's the equivalent of -4/3 and 4/3. Then, what you're going to do once you get your points and once you plot those points and create your line on your graph, you're going to come down here and write the function or the equation for b of x in general form. Just a reminder that you have the name of your function, then you have your slope, followed by your variable, followed by your y-intercept. So, and then if you need to simplify this afterward, if this is a 0, remember you can leave it off, because adding 0 to anything or subtracting 0 from anything doesn't change the number.